I'm Robin Clevitt. Welcome to the 101 uses of a multi-tool out on tour. So I'm in a kitchen here and there's some tiling here which is pretty good, it's all intact. But in one corner, for no reason or an unexplained reason, some of the tiles have lifted and we need to basically get them back and get them flat again. But we've got to be really careful because we can't get these tiles anymore. So I'm going to use a precise grout removal tool. I've got a couple of different types here. I'm going to carefully cut through the grout. Hopefully that'll be enough to just loosen the tiles up without damaging anything. Then I can carefully get the adhesive out from underneath, see what was going on, and then we can stick them back and re-grout them. So using a precise grout removal blade for the multi-tool, it was really quite easy to carefully take out these, what are very thin, slim ceramic tiles. They're not super strong. We didn't want to break any because there aren't any more. We just needed to get these cleaned back, and the abrasive scraper, if you like, what I took the adhesive off, was absolutely perfect for flattening that backer board back really quickly. We had a quick vac up, and these tiles got a little bit of adhesive on the back. This just needs picking off, cleaning back, then we'll be able to glue those back in and it will just look 10 times better. Thanks for joining me on the 101 uses of a multi-tool. I'm Robin Clevitt. Check back soon.